it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I'm sneaking in today with, super fun. I have the brand new White Rose Crafts Little Christmas Tree Card Making and Craft Kit. Yep, craft kits are back at White Rose Crafts, and I can't be more excited that the first one back after their long hiatus is a Christmas craft. This one is jammed full of supplies. Like, you can tell how stuffed this envelope is. It's so stuffed that it cracked in the mail. So here we go. Let's get excited because there's a little bit of something for everyone in here. It's really, really exciting to see. We've got two sheets of Petaletics mica cardstock. This is a heavy-duty cardstock. It's in gold and silver. We also have the Craft Creations decoupage sheet and the Christmas poinsettia. These pop out and make a layered piece. We have a collection of papers, including a sheet of mulberry paper. For those of you who aren't familiar with mulberry paper, it's kind of translucent. You can see through it, and it's fibrous. There's actually a lot more you can do with it than you think. The paper collection for this kit is from 16 Craft Creations, and it's an assorted pack of 8x6 printed paper. There's multiple patterns and several colors, so you'll have like one continuous pattern but in 3 different or 4 different colors. And some really fun, unique looks. And I love the wide range of colors this collection presents. So there is your paper that's included in this kit. Now on to the bits and the bobbles. The sticker, there's a couple sticker sheets. This one is the Craft Creations peel-off stickers. It says Let It Snow in golden red. And it says peace and a couple other things, but they're textured stickers. This is the Kaiser Craft Captured Moments. This is actually for those of you who love journaling. This is a journaling collection, and a lot of the stickers in this will go perfectly with card making, or scrapbooking, or actually any kind of crafting. But these are journaling pages, so don't think this kit isn't also for journalers. It is, and these tabs and stickers are really perfect for that. We also have, this is really fun, I've never seen these before. This is the Paper Mania Create Christmas Color and Advent numbers. You actually can color in the numbers. And there's a couple sheets in there, so if you mess one up, you got an alternative. We have a card frame. There's only one card frame included in this one, and it's one of the Jelly Bean Shaker cards. It's the Retro Tree Shaker card. And there's an exclusive Abracadazzler Shaker Blend. It's the Polar Penguin, so it looks like ice and little tiny sweet penguins. Perfect for the shaker card. You can fill it up and have a lovely little shaker moment. Everybody excuse me while I put the blend back into the bag because, yeah, that's how it goes these days. But there you go. There's the Jelly Bean and the Abracadabras. There are 6 ribbon bows. These are pre-made bows, and they're in white, ice blue, and red. We have mulberry paper flowers, large poinsettias. We have the Belly Bling Rhinestone Flourishes. This I'm really excited about. This is the Couture Creations die set. It's a full die set, and it's the Christmas tree tag, and you can make tag and Christmas trees with it. We also have the Helt's Dear Santa adhesive gems, and I love adhesive gems. This is new. I've tried snow pins in the past, but I've never tried Stamperia's snow pin, so I'm really excited to see, but it's a full piece. And we have the Woodware stamp set. It's the little Christmas tree polymer stamp, and you get to create your own Christmas tree with it. I hope you're all just as excited about this launch of the new craft kit, the Card Making and Craft Kit from White Rose Crafts. Let me know in the comments below what product you're most excited to see be played with. And until then, happy crafting, everybody.